Ever wondered where art dances with architecture and history whispers through bustling streets? Welcome to Barcelona, a city where every corner tells a story, blending the old-world charm with avant-garde artistry seamlessly. This Catalan capital is not just a haven for travel enthusiasts, but a paradise for those seeking a cultural feast. From its iconic landmarks to hidden gems, Barcelona appeals to a broad spectrum of globetrotters, each looking to capture a piece of this vibrant urban tapestry. Join us as we discover the top 10 must-see attractions that make Barcelona a treasure trove of experiences. First on our list, the awe-inspiring Sagrada Familia. Towering above the cityscape of Barcelona, this basilica is not only a testament to divine inspiration, but also to the genius of Antoni Gaudí, its legendary architect. Initiated in 1882, the Sagrada Familia presents a mesmerizing blend of Gothic and Art Nouveau styles, each facade telling a different biblical tale through its intricate stone carvings and vibrant stained glass. Gaudí's masterpiece, famously still under construction more than a century later, embodies an ongoing narrative of faith and art evolving through time. Each visit might offer a new detail, a fresh perspective as cranes and artisans continue to etch Gaudí's vision into reality. If planning to witness this marvel, remember to book your tickets well in advance. The popularity of the Sagrada Familia means entry is coveted, and spontaneous visits are nearly impossible. This architectural wonder is not just a sight, but a narrative carved in stone. Step back in time with a stroll through the Gothic Quarter. As you wander through its labyrinth of narrow streets, you'll find yourself enveloped by the charm of medieval Barcelona. Each alleyway and square tells a story, with centuries-old buildings casting shadows that whisper tales of the past. The atmosphere here is electric, vibrant with the hustle of daily life, yet adorned with the tranquility of historical grandeur. Shops brimming with artisanal crafts, cafes tucked in cozy corners, and street performers adding a pulse to the scenic backdrop keep the energy alive and inviting. Landmarks stand proudly throughout the quarter, with the Barcelona Cathedral towering at its heart, a stunning example of Gothic architecture that demands admiration. Not far from its imposing presence, remnants of the ancient Roman walls ground you in the deep-rooted history that sculpted this city. As you leave the narrow shadows of the Gothic Quarter, you carry with you the echoes of history. The Gothic Quarter offers a picturesque journey through the layers of Barcelona's rich history. Next, let the whimsical Park Güell captivate your imagination. Nestled on Carmel Hill, this enchanting park is one of Antoni Gaudí's most colorful and imaginative works. As you wander through this architectural wonderland, you'll notice that nature and design intertwine seamlessly, a testament to Gaudí's genius. The park is a riot of colors, thanks to the intricate mosaics that adorn the surfaces. These are not just any mosaics, they are made from broken ceramic tiles, creating vibrant patterns that are a feast for the eyes. The serpentine benches curving playfully around the park offer not just a place to rest, but also an incredible panoramic view of Barcelona. It's like sitting in the lap of a colorful dragon. While the beauty of Park Güell is undeniable, remember to purchase your tickets online to bypass the often lengthy queues. This way, you can step straight into this fairy tale garden without delay. Park Güell is a fairy tale garden that brings dreams to life. Immerse yourself in the vibrant energy of La Rambla. Stroll down this iconic boulevard that stretches for over a kilometer, weaving through the heart of Barcelona. It's more than just a street. It's a theatrical stage where daily life and culture dance together. Lined with an eclectic mix of shops selling everything from souvenirs to high fashion, La Rambla is also home to cozy cafes perfect for watching the world go by. As you wander, you'll encounter a myriad of street artists, from living statues to musicians, each adding a unique brushstroke to the canvas of this bustling avenue. Don't miss La Boqueria, a market brimming with vibrant colors and tantalizing smells, offering the freshest local produce and delicacies. Nearby, the grandeur of the Liceu Opera House stands as a testament to the city's rich cultural tapestry. However, while absorbing the sights and sounds, keep a watchful eye on your belongings. La Rambla is notorious for pickpockets. It's best experienced in the daylight when it's safest and at its most lively. La Rambla is the pulsating heart of Barcelona, always ready to amaze. Experience the enchanting display of the magic fountain of Montjuïc. Nestled at the foot of Montjuïc Hill, this grand fountain captivates audiences with its mesmerizing choreography of light, water, and music. Imagine streams of water dancing rhythmically to classical or contemporary beats, illuminated by a kaleidoscope of colors. For those seeking the quintessential evening in Barcelona, the fountain's performances are a must-see, especially since they come at the delightful price of free admission. The magic fountain offers a dazzling spectacle that lights up the Barcelona night. For lovers of luxury and architecture, Passeig de Gràcia awaits. Stroll along this grand avenue and be dazzled by the opulence that lines one of Barcelona's most prestigious streets. Here, the allure of high-end shopping seamlessly blends with the architectural genius of Antoni Gaudí. Marvel at the whimsical facades of Casa Batlló and the undulating stone of La Pedrera. Each building tells a story of innovation and elegance, making every window a gateway to the past and every doorway an entrance to a shopper's paradise. Passeig de Gràcia is where Barcelona's elegance and artistic flair come together. Delve into the artistic soul of Barcelona at the Picasso Museum. Nestled in the heart of the city, this museum is a homage to one of the most influential artists of the 20th century, Pablo Picasso. Here you can explore an extensive collection that showcases over 4,000 pieces of his work, with a significant emphasis on his formative years. These pieces provide a fascinating insight into the evolution of his artistic style from his early days right through to his later works. The museum also offers a unique look at Picasso's deep ties with Barcelona, a city that shaped much of his youth and early career. It's fascinating to see how the vibrant city influenced his creative processes and artistic decisions. For those interested in something a bit special, always check for the temporary exhibitions. They are often a delightful complement to the permanent collection. To ensure your entry, it's wise to book your tickets online in advance to avoid the disappointment of a sold-out day. The Picasso Museum is not just a gallery, it's a journey through Picasso's profound connection with Barcelona. Feel the thrill of Barcelona's football legacy at Camp Nou. Imagine stepping into the realm where legends play, where every cheer and chant echoes through the stands. The Camp Nou experience offers more than just a visit, it's an immersion into the heart of FC Barcelona. Begin your journey at the impressive museum, brimming with trophies that gleam with history and pride. Each exhibit tells a story of triumphs, tears, and the unbreakable spirit of the club. From there, the experience deepens as you venture into the stadium itself. Feel the rush of anticipation as you walk through the players' tunnel, emerging to the view of the sprawling pitch, a sacred ground for football enthusiasts. For those who dream of experiencing the electric atmosphere of a match day, consider booking your tour in advance. This ensures you don't miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime experience, where you can almost hear the roar of the crowd and sense the pulse of historic matches. The Camp Nou experience is a pilgrimage for football enthusiasts and a thrill for all visitors. Soak up the sun at the vibrant Barceloneta Beach. Nestled along the coast of Barcelona, this beach pulses with an energetic vibe that captivates both locals and visitors. Picture yourself strolling along the sandy shores, the aroma of fresh seafood wafting from the bustling restaurants that line the promenade. For the adventurous, the sparkling Mediterranean offers a plethora of water sports. To dodge the larger crowds and bask in a serene atmosphere, consider visiting at the crack of dawn or as the sun sets. Barceloneta Beach is the perfect spot to unwind and enjoy Barcelona's sunny disposition. Finally, venture outside the city to the mystical Montserrat. Nestled in a majestic mountain range, Montserrat is renowned not just for its natural beauty, but also for its historic monastery, an emblem of spiritual solace and architectural grandeur. The panorama from the peaks offers breathtaking views that stretch beyond the horizon, inviting awe and wonder. For those seeking a deeper understanding, a guided tour can enrich your visit, revealing hidden stories and scenic spots. Montserrat offers a serene escape and a spiritual encounter just outside the bustling city. From Gaudí's architectural marvels to the lively streets of La Rambla, Barcelona promises a plethora of unforgettable experiences. As we journeyed through the top 10 must-see attractions, each site whispered its own unique story, echoing the rich history and vibrant culture of this Catalonian capital. The awe-inspiring Sagrada Familia, with its spires reaching towards the heavens, offers a glimpse into the mind of Antoni Gaudí, a genius whose work shapes much of the city's landscape. Strolling through the Gothic Quarter, one steps back in time along cobblestone paths that have borne witness to centuries. The whimsical Park Güell, another of Gaudi's treasures, showcases artistic brilliance amidst lush greens. The bustling La Rambla invites you to immerse yourself in its dynamic atmosphere, while the magic fountain of Montjuïc dazzles with its ballet of water, light, and music. Museums, beaches, and even the sacred Montserrat each beckon with their own allure. So pack your bags and set your sights on Barcelona, a city that promises adventure, art, and memories at every turn.